I remember the summer evenings when one of my parents would bring home a big flat of fresh strawberries from one of the farm stands along 7 Mile Lane, and my brothers and I would kind of crowd over them, eating as many as we could before my parents said we had to save the rest for later. As an Oregonian, it's important to me that everyone has the opportunity to make memories of local food like the ones that I've made. Unfortunately, in Oregon, 1 in 6 residents are food insecure, which means that they may not know where their next meal is coming from, and they definitely won't have a lot of control over what kind of food goes into that next meal. At the same time, in the US, maybe 40 to 50% of our produce is going to waste. That's why the Northwest Berry Foundation is launching the Berry Recovery Project this summer. We're partnering up with farmers and local hunger relief organizations to get berries that would otherwise be wasted onto the tables of community members who need them most. The Northwest Berry Foundation knows how much time and resources go into producing berries, and we understand that nobody wants that fruit to be just left in the fields to rot. The Berry Recovery Project gives growers a place to send berries that wouldn't otherwise have a use. Because of state and federal tax deductions that they get for doing this, it allows them to recoup some of the costs that they spent producing these berries. To learn more, visit our website at www.nwberryfoundation.org.